Sathanda kuthola umbiko la kuthiwa iKaizer Chiefs are looking to sign uSiphelele Mkhulisi. Njengoba nazi nonke uSiphelele Mkhulisi umdlalo weMamelodi Sundowns. Usuka ku-development yayo iSundowns yampromotha ngo-2016. uSiphelele Mkhulisi kwiSundowns akakaza ayithole ifreedom ukuthi athole ama-games, aqala ama-games, more games lapha. Njengoba i-contract yakhe izophela nje ngoJune 30, 2025. iKaizer Chiefs are looking to hijack i-deal yakhe bamlande nje manje ngoJanuary, yabo. Because musathi ukubheka neminyaka yakhe yamshiya ngempela una 28. Mephuma kuSundowns yiphi team ezomthatha. I know uyiquality yena, yabo. But angiboni ukuthi Sundowns iseyingayirenew icontract yakhe. Because ikhona italent kuSundowns right now. Bakhona abadlali abadlala over yena. Kule season usathole i-start esiyi-1. Thole njalo i-appearance eyi-1 bedlala i-calling knockout, yabo. So angiboni ukuthi uzonikeza iSundowns that much edge kule season. Ngiyazi ayinikeze lothi iSundowns. So ngibona kungcono iSundowns imnikeze iKaizer noma imdayisele iKaizer. So iKaizer Chiefs are looking to sign this guy. Kwezinye zeindaba nango omunye umdlali iKaizer Chiefs are looking to sign umdlali weStellenbosch FC uSihle Nduli. uSihle Nduli umdlali obaleke kakhulu for isisu seStellenbosch FC uyi-CDM and iKaizer Chiefs ishoda ngawo ama-CDM lapha kwisisi sabo. So kahle kahle angazi ubani abazomthenga between the two, yabo, because kumele benze decision between the two players. Uba u2 badlala ama-roles ahlukahlukene, yabo. For me ukhona umdlali ongadlala i-role yamkhulise kwiKaizer Chiefs, but umkhulise nayo uyiquality angafika angene lapho kwiKaizer Chiefs athole mhlambe aqale kwi-starting lineup, yabo. But for me, yabo, if I was i-board yeKaizer Chiefs, I'll make this guy my main priority, yabo. I'll make him my main priority because bayashoda ama-CDMs kwiKaizer Chiefs. Of course uSiphelele Mkhulisi mhlambe bangamthola as a free agent ngoba icontract yakhe iyaphela makuphela isizini, yabo. Njengoba iphela nje icontract yakhe mhlambe bangamthola as a free agent. Ngingazi ke phela lapho kodwa uSiphelele Mkhulisi maningi ama-team asengaya kuona mayiphela isizini mase yi-free agent. Ngiyazi afuna mhlambe ukuya kwiKaizer kuphela, yabo, because azoyimaningi ama-team afuna ukumthola. So iKaizer imemfuna impela umkhulisi kumele imthenge manje ngoJanuary, yabo. Imthole manje ngoJanuary ukuthi nje kuphela isizini sebenaye vele, noma bavele benze nje i-bold move bathenge uSihle Nduli kwiStellenbosch. Ngokubona kweni nina umuphi umdlali iKaizer Chiefs emdinga the most between the two players, uSihle Nduli noma uSiphelele Mkhulisi? Because they need to make a decision between the two players ukuthi bapha abadlali bafuna ukubathenga, yabo, because bayabadinga ngempela. I-team yeKaizer Chiefs right now e-center sisakhona sikho right, badinga abadlali.